Hello, this is your Congressman Michael Burgess. This week I'd like to talk with you about an important piece of legislation that I introduced last week that would expand the use of health savings accounts. Our healthcare system has many flaws. It did before the Affordable Care Act, and man, does it now because of the Affordable Care Act. But one of the biggest holes in the system was that it drives people away for consumer-focused and patient-centered healthcare. Deductibles and out-of-pocket limitations have been growing steadily. They took a big jump with healthcare.gov. Yet current law only allows health savings accounts, or HSAs, to be purchased for certain healthcare plan types. Even then, HSA contributions are restricted to levels that are often lower than the deductibles, and they're almost always lower than out-of-pocket limitations. This bill rewrites the tax code to ensure that health savings accounts may be used more broadly. This increases patient choice in how their healthcare dollars are spent. I strongly believe this is one of the best ways to save the problems we have in our healthcare system. The Health Savings Act of 2014 makes HSAs more accessible for the greater public. It allows parents to set up an HSA for their child while allowing the contributor to claim an after-tax deduction. Further, this bill raises the contribution limits to match the plan's maximum out-of-pocket limit. And finally, the Health Savings Act provides some bankruptcy protections to HSAs in the same way that retirement accounts are currently protected. I believe that the federal government should not be in the business of punishing someone for going bankrupt by taking away the money he or she has diligently saved for their health care. One of the most fundamental criticisms of the President's health care law is that it robs Americans of their freedom of choice in their health care. This bill would be a small but a very important step towards giving people back those freedoms. As always, I appreciate your questions and your comments on this issue. Thank you for taking the time to listen. May God bless you and your family, and as always, may God bless Texas.